Today, I loved learning about mugwort and its uses as part of as moxa. I love learning about goldenrod that I have always mixed up with ragweed that my daughter's very allergic to, and that you can also use ragweed itself as to alleviate allergies. Loved learning about black walnut, which I had no idea how hard it was to get the nut out of the middle. And in general, I've just loved the herbalicious classes as someone who I don't know a lot about plants. I look at books, I can't figure out the difference. And so being able to come out and walk around the land and see the plants, and Melanie is so patient with us. It's just been a wonderful class. So I'm really, really glad that we did it. Absolutely worth the investment.
I'm just so grateful that I had a chance to do this with my daughter. I've always been fascinated by plants and botany and in particular about herbs and knowing more about that. I've gone to classes that were plant classes and we would do plant ID in the wild. This is so different. I love the hands-on aspect of it. Our teacher, Melanie, has just been so informative. I just feel so grateful to have had this opportunity and to get acquainted with the other people in the class because everyone is coming to it for a different reason. And so it makes it so purposeful for all of us. So I'm just really grateful that I was part of this.
I love everything about the series that Melanie does for us. This is everything that I was searching for. You have hands on, you make things, you learn about tinctures, salves, and we actually get intimate with the plants. And so when we're out, she takes us on walks all around. I'm very tactile. So just being with the plants and getting to know them will make me remember even more than just a normal classroom. I have been to like a classroom setting, but this is nothing compared to that. Much more intimate. You get to know the plant, you get to feel the plant, look at the plant at all different stages of the plant. So I definitely remember them more that way. I do private lessons with her also. That's how much I love it. So anything you want to learn from her, she is so knowledgeable about everything. I ask a lot of questions. That's how I learn. So she adapts to those learning styles. It definitely was worth the investment. Thank you so much, Melanie. I will be back. The class was very natural and she was very educated and knowledgeable. And you could ask whatever you wanted. And in case you didn't know, she'd always research it. And she'd just provide with all the information needed. And it was very insightful. Making things like making tinctures and flower essence and being able to take something home and also like having the knowledge to do it at home as well after the course.